Oh my god, full of course. I'm scared.
Wait for it. Before you see the main drop and hear me scream down Orlando, you need to know why a grown man who's afraid of heights would do such a thing.
Once again, say thank you for doing this with us and for us with the NAS. Hope today goes well. Like I say, really thanks for taking the time and helping us out and doing this for such a great cause.
Wow, big day today.
Why?
Because you're going on a swing.
The world's largest sky coaster. Just look up. Oh my god.
Bruh.
I can't even hold the camera properly. Keeps moving, I'm shaking. I've been to the toilet 4 times already.
You've been up since 4.
And I've been up, what is with the 4s, eh? 4. That's not how many times I'm going to ride the sky coaster today. Heck no. So we are gearing up. We've got the GoPros that are ready, the Fusion 7, all of the attachments today. We are heading to Fun Spot. I'm not too shaky at the minute. Minor shakes, not too bad. Got the Get Binky DoWhatMakesYouHappy. Of course, representing Adventures with Zach's Autism Awareness. That leads nicely into this logo. This is logo that Ben and I, with Rob Yo, have come up with for Autism Awareness. This is the t-shirts that myself and Ben will be wearing for these events that we're doing, which is all for autism. This whole video is for Autism Awareness. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for charity. This one scares me, okay? Heights is not my thing.
Is that the 2 ladies?
No, no, I don't think so.
Is it?
Oh, I can't stop!
And the fact it's in a sleeping bag. Wow.
Bruh.
Something foot up and it's gonna drop me face down. One big swing is not appealing to me. I think I've been on the phone to my pal Ben 2 or 3 times this holiday saying, I think I don't want to do it anymore.
I'm scared!
Come on, Dale, you can do it. You said you would, and it's a charity, so no backing out.
In fact, I woke up this morning thinking, I really don't want to do this. And I was hoping that the weather was going to be nasty, so I didn't have to do it. But no,
It's glorious.
everything's worked out for me to do it, and my hands are sweating. I'm scared. But every holiday, we do something new, something out of our comfort zone. This is the one, it links in to screaming. Shout out to Fun Spot for hosting this, by the way, and also the National Autistic Society. So, we need to pack the bag, get going, and Orlando, you're going to hear me scream today, that's for sure.
Yep.
I'm scared. I feel like I would rather be doing anything else.
Like what?
Anything. I feel like I need the toilet again already. There it is. Woo. Dad put some good rides in on that big swing.
We done a couple, didn't we? Done the wooden one, the blue one,
Yeah.
and the go-karts.
SpongeBob, baby, we love you!
Oh, parking's free there.
Woohoo! Fun spot. Apart from the swing. Oh mate, my stomach's churning. Next time we get in this car, we'll hopefully have done it.
Yes. And you'll be feeling so much better.
I'm scared, man. I'm not too shaky, but I'm freaking heartbeats racing. But it's all for the course, man.
I feel nervous for you.
You should feel nervous for me. I'm terrified. You seen how high it is? In a sleeping bag.
How you feeling?
Terrified. Really nervous, man. Like, why am I doing it?
You're doing it for that.
Like I say, really thanks for taking the time and helping us out and doing this for such a great cause.
I know. Just every holiday choose one thing. What you normally do and
That.
swing up there. Let's get in, let's go check in.
Wow. Okay.
places?
No.
You sure? Now's the time. We can do it real quick.
I ain't doing it.
Alright, so this is the world's largest sky coaster. It's 250 feet high. You reach speeds up to 80 miles per hour. It's basically one of the tallest structures in Orlando. Definitely a big deal. It's intense. He's going to be going up there all by himself.
What the heck?
So any noises, any ears, any clinks, stuff like that, you're probably not supposed to hear that. Oh my God, dude, just let that sink in.
I'm already shaking.
But no, man, it's awesome. It's once in a lifetime opportunity to do this ride. It's big time. So
Thank you so much, man. Yeah, we got this.
I'm following you, man.
Damn, it's broken already.
Oh my God, dude, what the heck?
Look up!
Oh,
Gonna
man.
go all the way to the top.
Great.
Do you want to come in here with us?
Oh, it's happening today.
Gracias.
Oh man. I'm only doing this for the course.
Right in that back corner.
Jordan? Wow.
Look up now.
I'm not, dude. I'm freaking trembling. Tom! You're making me feel worse.
Bruh.
Oh yeah. Board's gonna drop. When it does, do not grab the wall. Me and my partner are just gonna lean forward, okay?
Okay.
Big on, dude. Wow. I'm glad you hooked me up good tight. Ride together, but you're going by yourself. So,
God.
grab it yourself, I guess. Flip it in a brick forward, Omega. That's not supposed to be like that. Oh well.
What? Oh man.
We're going, dude. All right,
Once
man.
you get to the top.
250 feet to the top.
Oh great.
When you hit 3, 2, 1 flat, pull the orange cord right in your right hip, okay?
Which cord?
You don't have one. I see it, the one on your right hip. No.
I went there, yeah. Oh man. Here we go. Cheers, my dude. Yeah, man. Oh, dear Lord. Oh. Fuck this. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm so nervous for him.
I'm never doing shit like this anymore.
I feel shaky myself. Oh my God.
I'm so scared. Can't handle it, man. Shake. I'm shaking so much. Oh my God. Pull the cord.
Insane. Oh wow.
Scared. Oh my God!
You guys know how to make a ride. Wow. Fun spot. Orlando. Sky coaster. Autism awareness. Done. I think I'm crying.
This is what we call the point of no return.
You made me shake so bad, man. Wow. Oh man, that was so scary. Oh god. Woo. I'm so scared. I got it. Woo! That's a show right there. It's all thanks to Fun Spot, baby. Woo! It's huge. Autism awareness, that's what this is all about. You better click that link and give some money for this video.
Alright, let's send him back up.
No way! That's it, it's me done. That was insane. Never again though, but that was awesome.
Never again, no. Thank you.
Did it. Sky coaster for autism awareness, done. Yeah, baby. Oh man, that was the best adrenaline. Woo! That was scarier than a Starflyer for sure, man. Absolutely terrifying.
How do you feel now you've done it though?
I feel like $1 million.
Yeah?
I'll feel even better if you guys watching this click the link, support the cause, autism awareness. Please do it, please donate. Thank you so much to our friends at Fun Spot, National Autistic Society. Just thank you so much. It's over to you now, Ben, on the Disney 5K run.
There's Ben. Training has started for the 10K Star Wars race. He's in April.
Thank you. Cheers. Thank
How was
you.
it, Del? How did you feel?
Genuinely scared. It's hard to explain this one because the higher you get, the more you slide forwards in your sleeping bag. So the only major fear I had was I'm definitely going to die. I'm definitely going to fall out of this thing. I thought the straps was going to come undone and you'd see me in 360 falling to my death. That's what I felt like. I genuinely felt terrified. This one, it's safe, okay? They really strap you in. There's two dudes who, make sure everything's right, all proper. I appreciate on the camera, they're banter, they're playful and all the rest of it. But for someone who's really nervous, at the same time, I'm so reassured that it was A-okay. But this whole thing has been made to give you the biggest drops. The bestest of thrills. And you're gonna get it at Sky Coaster, Fun Spot, Orlando. Come and check it out, raise money for autism. So after conquering the Sky Coaster, look what I got. T-shirt to always remember it by. And you can also, for $15, get your memories recorded on the USB stick, which they will film themselves. So for $15, you get a ride video and you get a T-shirt as well. Now that's a good deal. Did I look scared?
Did you look scared?
Did I look scared?
Yes. You were the definition of scared.
No, I weren't. I weren't even that bad. I weren't afraid or nothing.
Yeah, you were.
Never! I won't do it again. I'm glad I did it. It's a once in a lifetime for me and it just certifies why I'm the king of screams. Oh my god, full of cords! I'm scared! And a huge thank you to Fun Spot for hosting us, for allowing us to come here today, all for Autism Awareness, to raise money by going on a Sky Coaster. But after that, we got run of the park. We got to experience all of the attractions, including White Lightning, Freedom Flyer, and of course the go-karts as well, and Hot Sea. Big, did you like it?
Yeah, I loved it. They've got
Yeah.
great rides here.
It's just
Definitely.
it's a great place for all of the families. So please be sure to come check out Fun Spot. There's 2 locations, one in Kissimmee and the one right here. That is Orlando, my friends. That being said, Jen and I need to make a move. Remember, life's too short.
Do what makes you happy.
Exactly. Wherever you're watching us in the world, take care, you lovely lot. Love and respect from Get Binky.